Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last month and how the gold price can move in the next month. If you look at this chart, what you can see that the gold has moved from July till Feb 21 and made a low twice. Okay, that means the support is tested twice and the support is 1673. Keep this in mind, 1673. Okay, now after testing twice it has moved up and made a high of around 1914. Okay, keep this in mind too. 1914 is resistance. Okay, a big resistance. And after that it came down because at this level, those who have bought it at these levels, okay, have done their profit booking, and the price has came suddenly down and moved at a level of came down to a level of 1763. Okay, after that it came again after testing this twice and it has come up and made a high at around 1833, and from there 1833 again, keep this in mind, 1833 is resistance 2. Okay, is a very strong resistance, 1833, which is already tested here thrice. Okay, so why I am telling you this 1833, okay, and 1915, these two resistance. Okay, suppose if the price comes close to around 1808 or 1806, okay, if the price moves above this level 1808, okay, then there is high probability that it can go and touch a level of 1833. Okay, and 1833 is already tested 2-3 times, so there is a probability that it can go and touch a level of 1846. Okay, if it comes above 1810. But suppose before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in gold is working, as well as you can join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description. Okay, plus if you have any doubt or you want to attend my workshop individually as well as in group, you can mail me and we can discuss the timings. See, look at this. Okay, after, suppose if the price as of now it is in a continuous downtrend, if we look at from here, it is showing overall downtrend, as well as if we look at from a month of 10th September, 31st September, 31st August, we can see yes, it is continuously in the downtrend. Okay, now it is currently trading at around 1726.350. Suppose if the price of this stays above this level of 1726, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1744 if it stays above a level of 1735. Okay, suppose now it is trading at 726, and if it stays above this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1735. Okay, once 1735 is touched, and this is already tested twice, so chances will be very here and at this level, so chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1746. Okay, once 1746 is touched, then we can see yes, it can go further high because this level is also tested twice, so chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1757, and from there we can see it can go, if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1782, and once 1782 is touched, then we can see whether if it stays above this level, then we can see yes, it can go and touch a level of 1795 also, and if it stays more above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 1806. And suppose, and once 1806 is touched, then I have already told you that if the price goes above 1810, then we can see it can go further upside and can cross a level of 1833 and can go upside of 18, can touch a level of 1848. And once 1848 is touched, then we can see yes, the trend can change in the upside. You can check my previous video if the price goes above 1848. Okay, and then we can see a rise in the price of gold. But suppose if the price didn't sustain a level of 1726, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1716. Okay, and this 1716 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high it can go and touch a level of 1703. And once 1703 is touched, then we can see as the trend of gold has gone down, and it can go further low to a level of 1769, which is already tested thrice. Okay, if you look at this level once, twice and thrice, so chances will be very high if it goes below 1698, then chances are high it can go further and can make a low of around 1675. Okay, then this level can break because it is already tested twice, so chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1660. Okay, and suppose if the price goes more below this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1645, and if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1622. Okay, and once 1622 is touched, then there is the probability that it can go and touch a level of 1589. Okay, before that, if it 1610 is a strong support, then there is a chances it can bounce back from this level. And suppose if it didn't bounce, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 1595. And before that, suppose if it bounce back from 1610, then, and it can, if it comes again, then there is a probability it can break this level of 1610 also and can go to a level of 1563. Okay, as of now, if the price comes below 1563, then I will make another video. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can mail me. And hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.